Breaking news, an earthquake has struck the region of Istanbul. Now luckily it wasn't at the city centre itself, it was around 40 kilometers southeast in the Sea of Marmara. If you've been following my channel for a while, you will know that I have been voicing my concerns around a potential earthquake for a number of years. This is because Istanbul and all of the other cities sit along the NAFZ, which is the North Anatolian Fault Zone. This is a 1500 kilometer long strike slip fault, which basically causes the Anatolian plate to do a rotation this way towards the west. As you can see in this image above me, there have been plenty of large-scale earthquakes along this fault zone over time, making their way from the east side all the way to the west side, but in no particular order. This is the nature of earthquakes. We don't know when a slip will occur. Now, there was recent research that showed that there were potential stresses and locking happening in the Sea of Marmara, which kind of explains why we might have had this earthquake today. Again, predicting earthquakes is extremely difficult. The earthquake today occurred around 10 kilometers deep, which means it was rather shallow, and there have been no reports of any fatalities or injuries in Istanbul itself. This earthquake underscores the seismic vulnerability that Istanbul faces and why it's spending millions upon millions restructuring its infrastructure to make sure that it can withstand larger earthquakes. And I'll repeat this again. The North Anatolian Fault Zone is a very active strike-slip system, and it is only a matter of time before Istanbul becomes the epicenter for a large earthquake. And I'll keep you updated as more information comes out.